Amazfit has launched two premium fitness watches in 2026, the Balance 3 and the new Balance Ultra. Both share the same software, health tracking, and hybrid training features, but there are important differences in battery life, materials, durability, storage, and price. So, which one is actually worth buying? In this video, we're comparing the Amazfit Balance 3 and Balance Ultra side by side to help you choose the right smartwatch for your training and lifestyle. Welcome to SmartWatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest smartwatch updates. Design, build, and display. It comes in stainless steel and titanium versions, weighs around 55 grams for the titanium model, features sapphire glass protection, 10 ATM water resistance, and a durable design built for both training and everyday wear. The Balance Ultra takes things one step further. It features a full titanium construction, a slightly larger and thicker case, improved durability, and a more rugged outdoor-focused design. It feels closer to watches like the Garmin Fenix and Apple Watch Ultra. Display quality is excellent on both watches. Both use a 1.5-inch AMOLED display. The biggest difference here is build quality, with the Balance Ultra offering the more premium and rugged construction. Battery life. Battery life is one of the biggest reasons to consider the Balance Ultra. The Balance 3 delivers up to 21 days of typical use and around 41 hours of continuous GPS tracking. The Balance Ultra increases that to around 30 days of typical use and up to 50 hours of continuous GPS usage. But for ultra runners, endurance athletes, hikers, and adventure users, the extra battery life of the Balance Ultra is a major advantage. Smart features and connectivity. This is actually the area where both watches are almost identical. Both support Bluetooth calling, notifications, offline maps, Zepp OS, voice control, music storage, AI-powered coaching, and Amazfit's latest smart features. Navigation tools, smartwatch functions, and software capabilities are very similar across both models. Health and fitness features. Both include hybrid training support, advanced recovery analysis, training load monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, readiness metrics, heart rate monitoring, and detailed performance analytics. The Balance 3 is already designed for runners, gym users, high rocks athletes, swimmers, and users who want a complete fitness smartwatch. The Balance Ultra builds on that foundation by targeting endurance athletes who need longer GPS battery life, more storage for maps and offline content, and a more durable watch for demanding environments. The difference is that the Balance Ultra is built to support those features for longer and under tougher conditions. Storage and outdoor performance. This is another important difference. The Balance 3 offers plenty of storage for most users and handles offline maps, routes, and music without problems. The Balance Ultra increases storage significantly and is designed for users who regularly download maps, music, routes, and outdoor navigation data. Price comparison. The Amazfit Balance 3 starts around $369 for the stainless steel version and around $449 for the titanium model. The Amazfit Balance Ultra starts around $599. Final verdict. For most people, the Amazfit Balance 3 is the smarter buy. You get the same display, the same software, the same health tracking, the same hybrid training features, and nearly the same smartwatch experience while spending less money. However, if you're an ultra runner, endurance athlete, outdoor adventurer, or someone who simply wants the most premium Amazfit watch available, then the Balance Ultra justifies its higher price. For value and everyday use, Balance 3 wins. For maximum battery life, durability, and outdoor performance, Balance Ultra wins. So that's the Amazfit Balance 3 versus Amazfit Balance Ultra. Let me know which one you would choose and subscribe to SmartWatch Radar for more smartwatch comparisons and buying guides.